I'm Laurie Birdwell. I'm adjunct faculty for College of the Canyons. I teach the master gardening classes at Pitchess Detention Center.
I'm Deputy Mandrillo. I've been with the Los Angeles County Sheriff Department for 15 years. 4.5 of the past 15 years have been with education-based incarceration, otherwise known as EBI.
My name is Carlos Banuelos. I am a student in the Rising Scholars Program at College of the Canyons. While I've been incarcerated the last 7 months, I've earned my Green Gardener Certificate and Pesticide Handling and Safety Certificate, and I am the only one at Pitchess Detention Center that is certified to spray pesticides, and I'm very proud of that. Over the past 7 months, I've learned how to propagate plants. I've learned how to do soil. I became a certified pest control applicator. I've also learned how to prune trees and to grow plants from seeds. Having this program has been, it's made my time pass. I didn't even realize I've been here for 7 months. Being able to be with the plants, come out here every day, and just be able to have my own space and work on these plants, and how quiet it is out here, and just be technically one with the plants.
The impact these classes have on the students, as soon as they're done enrolling, like that following week, they're coming in telling me they've called their mom and dad and they're enrolled in college, and that is so empowering that anyone would even give them that chance, to let alone be able to say that they're a college student and learn things that are going to help them as soon as they get released, whatever avenue they choose.
What I plan to do with my certification is my family, since I've earned my certifications, have given me the opportunity to work for a family friend that is going to retire in the following year, and I have the opportunity to run his nursery. And also I'd like, with that, is to be a worm farmer as well and incorporate it into the nursery as well.
I hope other inmates are able to follow Carlos's example of enrolling in classes and getting their certification so they can be employed when they're released.
We had an employee event here in Shade House 4 where the students had an opportunity to show what they have learned to employees purchasing plants. And I'll never forget, I got into the van and the students looked at me and said, I feel like we're being judged, right? Because they're in bright yellow. You cannot miss them. They're labeled, right? And there's so much more than that. And it took probably until after lunch for them to realize that they knew more than anyone that walked in here about the plants and could teach them and show them what they know and help them. And by the end of the day, it wasn't about what they were wearing, it's about what they knew, you know? And they showed that. It was like, oh, there's no words.
We have a green lacewing larva cocoon right here, very tiny. Most people wouldn't notice that. But that's a good insect. We want that insect. That one kills other bugs. It'll try to harm the tree and harm the plants, so that's a good insect for us.
The impact this program's making is not only on the students being able to come outside the facility and grow with the plants, nurturing the plants and loving the plants, but they get to see those plants go back into the community and enrich the lives outside of the jail, you know, and that's a big thing. For them to be able to find a passion in the avenues that I provide in the green industry and be able to apply them on the outside to not only get jobs, but to pay it back and forward, huge impact, huge.